Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to FindGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Python with user input. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, you can see I have opened the Google Colab where I can write and execute Python programs. So first of all, I will create a list named students. Next, I will type here while. So true. True means that this while loop will always execute it. We will terminate this while loop using break statement inside this. Here I will type name is equal to input. Enter your name. Next, what I'm going to do, I will type here students, which is our list name, dot append. Append is a function that is used to insert an element inside our list. And from here, I will copy this name variable and paste here. After this, I will create here another variable which will ask the user for his choice that either he want to enter another name or not. So here again, I will type here enter another name, and from here I will type yes and or no. And for example, if choice dot casefold. Casefold is a function in Python that is used to convert a string into lowercase is equal to n. It means that user don't want to enter any another name. So here I will type break. So that's it. And in the last, what we are going to do, I'm going to print our list. Okay, let me execute the program. So my program is executed, and here first of all it is asking that enter your name. For example, I type here Fahim. Now it is asking that either I want to add another name. I will type here yes. So now it is again asking me another name. I will type here Hassan. I will type here Y. Yes, I want to add another name here. Next, I'm going to type here FindGap. So this time, if I don't want to enter any name, I will type here N, and if I press enter, so you can see that our complete list is printed on our screen. So friends, that's how you can create a list in Python by getting input from the user. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. And finally, thanks for watching.